I don't really speak French that much because it was only the first 3 years of my life. Normally my dad speaks in French to me, but I don't really speak necessarily back, but I do speak in English most of the time.
I live in Slovenia. I still follow Russian traditions and I still keep up with my roots. So basically it's not like I completely forgot it. I still write, read, watch movies.
It does frequently happen that I forget vocabulary or certain grammar, especially how to write katern, because I basically have never gone to school or learned how to write katern in the first place.
Sometimes I also get concerned because I'm forgetting some Turkish words, but it is important for me to speak with my relatives who cannot understand English as well.
I like my mother tongue. It's interesting, and some people say it's the first language in the world. So I watch many movies. The only language I watch movies in is my mother tongue.
Well, I think in Hungarian and sometimes English, but mostly Hungarian, and my dreams are mixed. I think it's a unique language, and when I speak it to people, they are very surprised and want to learn always a few words.